Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I sent to my Happy Mail level patrons over in the Crafty Club. So I really enjoyed putting together Happy Mail packages for them, and this holiday one was my favorite so far. So let me go ahead and start packing up this Happy Mail and show you guys what I included for them. Everybody this month got a fun pocket letter for their Happy Mail creation. So this one I used a bunch of Paper House Production stickers and elements on, and I think it turned out super duper cute. This is one of my favorite ones I think I've ever made, and I love how I use some of the 3D dimensional stickers on the outside of the pocket pages. I think that's really fun. And then these little envelopes from Michael's last year fit perfectly in the little pocket sleeves, so there's some little goodies in there as well. Some little jemmies, and then I filled up the back, so there's some stickers, some tree die cuts so they can make their own little Christmas trees for cards, some regular cut apart die cuts, some glitter dimensional stickers, some alphas, a couple paper clips, and a fun tag, a little piece of chocolate, some die cut tags that I created using some of my new Lawn Fawn dies, and then some gold glitter star acrylic like sticker things. So this is one of the pocket letters, and then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this up a little bit. I think like right there would be really cute. So I'm using a green doily and then some white and gold baker's twine that I received in some Happy Mail. I'm going to wrap this around. It's kind of a lot, so maybe I'll do like half of that. That will be good. So I think that's pretty cute, but it's kind of wonky, so I'm just gonna trim that off. So I've got a fun little bow on there, and then I was also going to include one of these shaker pockets that I made this season, so I do have a video on this over in the Crafty Club if you guys want to see how I made some shakers. And I love this one. It's got a little penguin on it, and I think it's super cute. So I got one of those, so I'm gonna put that in the box. Also gonna put some little crinklies in the box too. Not a ton, because this thing will be kind of full, and I might add some more towards the top. And then I also have this really fun like tinsel trim, and I have like 3 packs of this, and I never think to use it, so I'm just cutting some off and kind of just layering it in the package, because I figure maybe my pen pals could reuse it or something, but if not, it's just like a really fun festive thing. It barely weighs anything, so it won't really add to the weight, which is always good. And then I found these little bags at Joann, and I thought they were super cute, so I'm going to include one of my hot cocoa packets, a fun candy cane. It's black and white stripes that where did I find it at? I think I found it at Rite Aid? I can't remember, but I'm just gonna pop that in there, as well as one of my little zines. I'm also going to share a roll of washi tape. This one has fun red and green stripes. I am also including a roller stamp from Studio Calico. This one is holiday and winter themed, so I think this will be fun to include too. I'm also tossing in some little peppermint Hershey's, whoops, and some of these peppermint kind of minty things. Kind of fill up the bag a little bit. And then I've had these foam glittery shapes from Dollar Tree in my stash for a while, so I'm just gonna use some of these. So I'm just gonna pinch the top and then take one of the glittery foam things, fold it over, and then use my Tim Holtz tiny attacher just to staple that in place and hold the bag closed. So I think that is fun. It's like a little present. That will fit right there. I'm also including a paper pad from Joann. This one is gold and silver. I did also pick up some that are red and green. Some stickers, some of my favorite dimensional embellishments, and then I created a little envelope. And in here I just have a sheet of my favorite jemmies and then a sheet of gold foil stickers, so they can repurpose the envelope if they want. So let me go ahead and kind of put all this in here. The Happy Mail members also received the exclusive Crafty Club postcard of the month. So these ones I handmade again, and I used some glitter paste stuff to make these little snowflakes and things with my new stencil that I got. This is a stamp from, I believe, Studio Calico, and then this is from Lawn Fawn from a different penguin stamp set. So I think this is super pretty. I did some ink blending and stuff, and I just think it turned out really nice, and I love penguins. So I wanted to share my love of penguins with the Crafty Club folks this month, so that just goes right in here too. And I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more crinklies, and that is about it. So this box is pretty full. and it's ready to go on a fun holiday journey to one of the Happy Mail patrons. So if you guys are interested in joining my Crafty Club and perhaps receiving some Happy Mail from me, I will leave a link to the club down below where you can join. There is also a private Facebook group, live streams, exclusive videos, bonus content from behind the scenes, as well as that postcard. So again, if you guys are interested, a link will be below. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!